The world's largest four-day work week trial, 61 UK companies, 2,900 workers, found that revenue increased by 35%, while 71% of employees reported reduced burnout. 92% of participating companies made it permanent. Collect 3 months of your own productivity data. Tasks completed, projects delivered, hours worked. Show that your output is consistent regardless of whether you work 40 or 32 hours. Pair this with published studies from the UK, Iceland, and New Zealand trials showing neutral to positive business impact. Structure your proposal. 1. The ask, specific schedule you want. 2. The evidence, your data plus external research. 3. The trial, propose 3 months with clear success metrics. 4. The rollback. If metrics decline, you return to 5 days. Making it a trial with metrics removes all risk for your manager. Schedule a dedicated meeting. Don't ambush in a hallway. Led with business value, not personal benefit. So I found a way to maintain my output in 4 focus days, and I'd like to propose a trial. Now I want Fridays off. Frame it as an experiment, not a demand. Download my 4-day work week proposal template from the description. Customize it with your data and schedule the conversation. The worst they can say is not yet, and even that opens the door for later.